Fitness Seekers. This is part 2 of our 4-part series for a full body workout. We'll be focusing on chest today. Either your goal is strength, growth, or toning. Remember to practice good form and to stretch before and after.
Part 2 of this 4-part series features the chest. As in video 1, there are 3 areas on which the series focuses on. Either you are wanting to get stronger by following the Let's Get Stronger plan, out to add more mass with the Grow Baby Grow plan, or interested in slimming down with the Toned Up Now plan. Whichever your goal, always keep in mind that results do vary and nutrition plays a part in it as well. Flat barbell bench press. Grab a bar with your preference of medium to wide grip and thumbs around bar. By straightening your arms, you will lift the bar. The bar should be lowered to the middle of the chest. Then press bar back up to starting position. Bench press is great for developing upper body strength and triggering growth in the chest. This exercise also targets the front shoulders, triceps, and upper back muscles. Dips. With hands placed firmly on handles of dip bar, slightly lean forward about 30 degrees. Lower your body until your arms are parallel to the floor. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. The primary muscles targeted is the chest, with triceps and the front shoulders being secondary muscles. Incline dumbbell bench press. While lying back on an incline bench with dumbbells in each hand, while palms are facing upward, push dumbbells up with chest until arms are fully extended. Pause, then lower arms back to the starting position. The focus muscles during this exercise is the upper chest. Muscles that are also activated are the shoulders and triceps. Dumbbell fly. On a bench with dumbbells in each hand, have a slight bend in elbows and arms semi-fully extended. Lower arms out at both sides until you feel a stretch in your chest while ensuring that dumbbells do not go below chest. Return arms back to starting position as you squeeze your chest muscles. Even though the primary target is the chest and shoulders, muscles of your back are also affected. Push-up. This is a great finisher for the chest. Starting in the prone position, hands and feet in contact with the floor and body in a straight line, moving as one unit. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arm is parallel to the floor. Extend arms until body is back in starting position to complete 1 rep. Explosive push-up. When lifting for mass, these push-ups provide that finisher to hit those muscle fibers of the chest. To add to a push-up, during the lowering phase, press yourself up to the starting position in a manner so that your hands leave the floor when initiated. This can be done with or without a clap, so as long as your hands come off the ground.
And this was our chest workout, part 2 in our 4-part series for full body workouts. Now, don't forget to stretch and hydrate before and after, even if you're indoors or out doing any type of exercise. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the new upcoming content. This has been Casual Fitness Seekers.